Hey guys, you would see some questions like the balancing chemical reactions in your test. So you will see a question like this. So at this time, I want you to put a number in these spaces. Like if you have H2 plus O2 gives you H2O, then I want you to balance this equation. So you're going to check this H2 right here. So how many hydrogens do we have here? We have two right here. So we are going to see if you have exactly same number on the right side. So we're going to see right here. Here I have two hydrogens here. So this is balanced. We don't have to worry about this one anymore. Then we are going to move on to the next element, which is oxygen. How many oxygens do we have here? We see that there are two oxygens right here with this number 2 right here. So let's check on the right side how many oxygens do we have here. We have only one since we don't have any number right there. It means it has one there. So it's one oxygen. So in order to balance these two oxygens on the left side to the one oxygen on the right side, so we are going to put number 2 right here. So when you put a 2 right here, the oxygens are balanced because you have two oxygens on the left side and two oxygens on the right side. But it also changes the number of hydrogens because this 2, even though you do not have this one in the parenthesis, still this 2 acts for the hydrogen as well as oxygen. So this 2 is making the hydrogens 2 times 2 as 4. So it made the hydrogens 4. So you have to go back and make sure this hydrogen is also 4. So in order to make it 4, you're going to put 2 right here. So in your test, this is what I will be looking for. I want you to put the numbers like 2, 1, 2 in appropriate balance, balancing equations questions. Okay, so if you don't have anything to do, then do not put a zero or do not leave it blank. I want you to put the numbers either 1, 2, 3, whatever the numbers, but do not leave it blank or do not put a zero. If you do not have to change it, just put a 1, but do not make it a 0 or no blanks. Okay, if you want full credit, this is how I want you to answer your questions. Okay, that I want the numbers, they need to go right in front of those chemicals. Okay, if you still have any questions, feel free to ask me, but make sure that no, this is what I want in your test. All right, good luck. Bye.